What's up, everybody? John D, John Brock here, Next Step Fitness, and today we got something crazy for y'all. I know it's been a while, but this is gonna make up for it. John Brock, tell them what we got.
Lift it up, baby. What's it even called?
The Paqui One
Paqui
Chip
One
Challenge.
Chip Challenge, baby.
Let's get it. How did you get yours out so perfect?
It looks like death, man.
Oh my god, it's so scary. You take a picture of your phone.
Smell it. Oh my god. Oh no, bro. That just smells like spices, bro. Take a picture.
Yeah, the chip. There's a dude back there watching way over there.
Hey, subscriber.
Right, hey, let's go.
For real? Right now?
Let's get. Oh, I'm so scared, dude.
I'm shaky.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, shaky. Alright. We need timer.
Oh yeah. I'm so scared.
So we're gonna do that time thing or what?
If you want to, yeah, we can do
All
that.
right.
Just make sure you remember to laugh it. Hey, here we go. You have to start the timer when we're just swallowing it.
Oh.
Because it's how long we can last after. Don't lick your lips. Because that stuff will get on your lips.
Alright.
Now it's in my face.
Am I starting?
Oh, you swallowed yours?
Yeah.
I swallowed mine at 8 seconds.
It's already there.
You feel it already?
Yeah.
Yo, this is hot.
Woo!
Let me text Lisa. Dude, that's hot, bro.
No.
It's all mental. Remember, give us a like and subscribe. Yo, this is hot. Oh, John Brock has a tear.
I can't do this.
Bro, yes you can. Yo, this is hot. Well, time here is...
Okay, no. Hold on. Oh, no, I can't do it. Not even a minute.
I don't think I've ever eaten something that's hot.
Oh, my God.
Oh, dude, I'm shaking. Bring the milk. John Brock left. I'm going to record him on my other phone to show. Oh my god, this is hot. Oh. How does it feel?
I wish this upon nobody.
Okay, I'm still going. This is hot. My ears are burning right now. Yo, my ears are burning.
Hey, let's do water.
So I'm still going strong, but all right here, it is so hot. It's tingling here and on my ears. Bring the milk. She didn't hear me the first time. I'm shaking.
Oh my God, Pam, help.
It is hot. Oh, oh, yo, this is hot right here. It hasn't even been 5 minutes yet. John Brock tapped out in about 1 minute, 8 seconds. we'll probably time lapse this or speed up the video because this is might gonna take a while. But my hands are tingling right now.
Please hold it.
Don't lick your lips. Just put it there. Oh, look at my. Go. I feel burning right here, but it's because I licked my lips. Like right here by the Adam's apple, it is burning. Right here. It's tingling all right here. Get him some, hey, get him some ice cream. Here, we're gonna go to the John Brock cam.
No, leave me alone.
Oh, it's hot, bro. Dude, what's tingling on you? Everything?
Yeah.
Right here, everything is tingling on me. Now my ears are getting tingly. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Hey, don't drink it, spit it out, because it's gonna go in your, like, swish it around, spit it. Dude, I'm so glad I didn't touch the chip. I teared up a little bit, but no tear ran down my face. Still going strong at, for me, subtract 8 seconds from what it is right now. That's where I'm at. I told them to get you some ice cream, so. Oh. I think the worst part's past for me. Top of my ears are numb. Oh, they feel like they're. This ear feels like it's bending back. John Brock, there's your cream. I think it's going away. It's crazy. Right here, the top of my ears feel like they're bending. Oh no. Oh, I'm trying to keep everything together so we don't lose it. Probably the package that the chip came in, this thing we'll probably throw away. Fuck that. Oh. I'm still shaking. I will be cutting clips of this out to put on social media.
Bro,
yeah.
I wish this upon nobody.
Can you do your Face ID on this? Just to see the time. Yo, that's a trip. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Dude, for real, don't do this if you can.
Yeah, we'll put this on. This might be a good intro. Tell them something.
If you can't handle it, don't even do it. If you suck at spicy food,
yeah, this ain't for the faint of heart. Everything it says on the package, listen.
Yeah, I thought it was a joke. I know how people like to scare people.
I think the worst part's already passed. This video has been going on 14 minutes. This, the time, I don't even know.
This might sound crazy.
What?
But it feels like a couple of hours went by.
I think the worst is over, dude. I think. Oh my god.
I'm back. Oh, look how red I am, bro.
Dude.
Whew.
Right now, dude, I was telling him this ear right here feels like it's bending back.
Ice cream never tastes so good.
Are you sweating? Or did you pour water on your face?
Oh, wait. This is real
Oh
quick.
my god. Joe Brown gets sweaty. We don't have a paper towel. Oh my god.
Man.
I've seen people eat 2 of those. Yo, I ate that. And I'm experiencing feelings that I have not felt. I got shivering from like my wrist here, shivering from here, over here, and back. It's like shaking and numb.
God.
The bottom of this ear, I feel it. Right, this earlobe right here, it feels like it's bending. This one, the way it's shaped, feels like it's pulling.
Man, this is. I feel like I just got out of the treadmill.
I can't. Will your phone let it do Snapchat and do the timer? I can't even talk right.
Dude, you're 9 minutes in.
I'll go for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'm gonna kill it. Can you do Snapchat on your phone with the timer? We'll do a little fucking fly. Oh.
I'm dying.
Yo, the 1 chip challenge is no joke. No joke. If you like, oh,
Oh, my bad.
you're good.
I'm dying.
Yo, share this video. Share the video.
No joke. No joke.
Ooh.
I think this deserves all the shares, all the likes. Dude, crying. What the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh, I think it's coming down. I'm not gonna lie.
Fuck, man. Sorry for the cussing. Oh man, this makes you cuss.
Oh god. Should we challenge some people that we think that can hold spicy foods?
Oh man, that's a good question. But hey, we have a fellow YouTuber, Nick.
Oh, the Lucero family.
family.
I don't know. I don't think I've never really seen him eat spicy foods. Should we call him right now?
Why not?
Call
Man,
him.
ice cream tastes good after though.
Oh, so I'm gonna split this scene. I might put a separate entry. I might put this on Facebook or something. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna call him. I don't think I have his number. Do you have his number?
Yep.
I think I have it. Let me check.
Call him on Snap.
This phone doesn't have Snap. Oh yeah,
Did he change his number?
that should be that 790 number. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. Calling my cousin Nick. Whoa. Lucero family, if y'all can do this, congratulations to y'all. Oh, the bearded beast, him too. Nick.
Hello.
Hey Nick. It's
Yeah.
John and John here.
What's up, John?
Yo, literally, bro, we just did the 1 chip challenge right now. We're recording right now I'm recording. It's gonna go on YouTube,
I'll
but
take yours.
oh yeah, go ahead. We're doing the 1 chip challenge, that Paqui challenge or whatever. Bro, it is no joke.
Is it that really, really hot
Mhm.
spicy chip?
Yeah, we're literally recording right now. We're 18 minutes in, but the timer I think is like I'm only doing 50. John quit like at
1
1
minute.
minute. I'm
No, there's no way it's that hot. There's
Dude.
no way.
dude, a minute in, my top of my ear felt like it was bending backwards. I'm not even kidding you.
Man, I can barely handle like medium salsa. There's no way.
Dude, I'm going right
What
at
does your mouth feel like? What
right.
does it feel like?
I think it's coming down already, but like the way I can describe like where my tonsils I'm assuming would be, that's on fire right now. Like my
Dude,
from
I
cheekbone
started
down.
crying, man.
John Brock was sweating and crying like 5 minutes into it.
Bro,
Dude, it is
the
not.
worst thing
It is
for me
no
when something
joke.
gets hot is my lips. Are your lips numb?
Mine were
Burn?
tingling. Yeah, no, from my cheekbone, from like the bridge of my nose to the middle of my ear to the bottom of my jawbone was tingling, dude. Like, and my wrists were like shivering. It's crazy.
I was
dude.
shaking, man.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna cut mine at
You're
15
gonna have to
minutes.
do it.
At 15 minutes, I'm gonna cut it because anything longer than that, obviously, it's gonna go down. But I'm gonna. I challenged you. I challenged your YouTube channel if y'all want to do it. I'm telling you, dude. I'm serious. It's no joke.
Alright.
But if I could do it, I think.
We're about to respond with the what's your challenge?
We're gonna challenge the bearded beast too. Remember him?
Oh yeah, he used to be the bearded diabetic.
Yeah, I'm gonna challenge him too, bro. This is no joke, bro.
Do it, man.
I'll send you. We'll take snaps of the chips and everything. I got them at Market Street locally. They were like at the front at the register on top of a cooler for the sodas. I don't know.
Self checkout.
Yeah, but I'll send you a picture of them.
Gotcha.
Ah,
Yeah,
dude,
send a picture.
this is no joke, Nick. I'm dead serious. It's a trip, bro.
Dude, I was just sitting here. I was like, I need a YouTube video idea because we haven't posted in like three or 4 weeks. So, all right, sounds good.
Yo, no, this will do it. But anyways, brother. All right, man. You have a good evening.
All right, y'all. See y'all later.
All right, bye. All right, guys, back to the video.
I look stupid right now.
Don Brock, what time is that? All right, I'm starting to feel it in my stomach.
14.
Okay, so it's 14 minutes right now. Subtract 8 seconds from when he started. That's when I started. Or 8 minutes, 8 seconds after. That's when I started. Oh, man. It's not bad for me. Like, it's like right here, but it's gone. In about 30 seconds, I'm going to kill it at 15, so.
Dude, you're a champ. Holy crap, that was embarrassing. Woo! It's alright though.
That was a trip. There's that one local YouTuber too. Remember him? The other dude, Work.
Hey, yeah, we're about
if he sees this, I'd be willing to challenge him, but I have to separate that clip anyways.
Jay, we cover for you.
Oh, is that his name?
Jay. Woo! Man, that is so embarrassing. My dad would be so disappointed.
Oh, by the way, guys, since we have it on here,
Oh, shit, yeah.
Axe and Sledge Supplements. We're what do they call it, ambassadors or something. If you want the code, what's your code?
J Brock 10.
JBrock 10.
So 10% your next order.
10% off this. Real quick, this is a hydraulic. Blood flow equals nutrient flow equals growth, guys. You really want to get this. Great pumps. I do 2 scoops on everything. I shouldn't, but I do. Great, amazing pumps, guys. AxeandSledgeSupplements.com. What time is that?
You're good, bro.
All right, 60 minutes. I'm going to call it. Give me my water. I'm calling it because at this point, it's just my lips that are numb and my throat's a little on fire. So I'd say 16, 8, or no. Let's shoot for 16. 16 seconds, 60 minutes, somewhere around there. If you got to the end of this video as a 22-minute video, I'm probably going to upload the whole video. Because if you... I don't know, should I go 20 minutes? Let's do 20. All right. So I'm gonna speed this part of the video up, and don't take any of this that I'm saying because I'm not a good editor. But we're gonna sit here I'm gonna sit here another 4 minutes. Oh man, how are you feeling? Update.
Oh,
Was that like a life-changing experience?
like, I feel like a new person.
Are you gonna take? You're not gonna, I'm not taking anything for granted anymore.
Yeah. You only live once, people.
Oh my god. I'm excited. I'm glad I did this. You know what we have to try next, though, right?
We ain't trying nothing else.
The noodles. The noodles. What we'll probably do, we'll make 1 noodle, 1 pack, and we share from it.
Well,